In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the IPMAT application form. Indian Institute of Management, Indore, has released the IPMAT application forms online. The last date to fill the IPMAT application form 2024 is March 26. The exam will be conducted in computer-based test mode. Visit the official website of IIM Indore, which is displayed on your screen. In the announcement section, there is a section called Important Announcement for IPMAT 2024. Click on the link and you will be redirected to the IPM admissions page. Now, click on the online registration button for the new applicants. Read the instructions given carefully and then proceed on to filling the IPMAT registration form. Fill in the IPMAT registration form with details such as name, date of birth, gender, category, mobile number, email address, etc. Fill the captcha code and click on the disclaimer checkbox. Then, click on the Re-Verify button. Check the details entered by you and click the check boxes against it if they are correct. Then, click on Submit. Students must know that the details once entered cannot be changed or modified. You will receive the IPMAT application number and password on your registered mobile number. Now, click on the Fill the IPMAT application form button on the top right corner of the page to proceed on to filling the complete IPMAT application form. You will be redirected to a new web page where you will be required to fill the IPMAT application form with other relevant details. Now, upload a scanned copy of your passport size photograph and signature. Candidates also need to upload a scanned copy of valid photo ID proof. Once they are uploaded, click on Save and Next button. You need to enter your academic details. Once the documents are uploaded, click on the Save and Next button. Now, candidates need to choose their preferred test city for the IPMAT exam. Candidates can choose up to 5 test cities according to their preference. They must note that they need to choose different test cities for their IPMAT 2024 exam. Candidates also need to choose their personal interview city preference. They can choose up to 2 test cities for their personal interview. Once done, they can choose the Save and Next button and proceed on to the next part of the application form. The next part includes paying the application fee for IPMAT 2024 exam. Candidates can pay the application fee using their credit card, debit card, UPI or other banking wallets. Once the application fee has been paid, candidates must take a printout of the application fee receipt and the application form for IPMAT. That was all about IPMAT 2024 application process.